GSX-8T. Retro Spirit. Next Generation Performance. The product concept behind the GSX-8T is Retro Spirit, Next Generation Performance. Their styling pays respectful homage to legendary Suzuki models of the past, capturing the look and feel of an authentic motorcycle. At the same time, they deliver a unique appeal by combining this classic presence with performance powered by Suzuki's latest technology. Inspired by the headlights of Suzuki motorcycles from the 1960s and 1970s, the GSX-8T features a flat-bottom mono-round headlight. This headlight delivers bright and highly efficient light distribution, complement the overall styling of the bike. Particular attention was given to the finish and feel of the mirror stays. By positioning the mirrors at the bar ends, the design creates a more open and expansive field of view, while reducing body interference, enhancing rearward visibility. Inspired by the tuck-and-roll seats of the 1960s and 70s, this stylish seat was reimagined with modern technology and designed specifically for the GSX-8T. It features high-density foam cushioning for enhanced comfort and a premium riding experience. Additionally, the optimized shape of the seat front improves ease of mounting and dismounting and provides excellent foot reach. Suzuki Traction Control System. Butterfly valves on the throttle bodies are controlled by an advanced electronic engine management system. Low RPM Assist uses the ISC mechanism to help raise engine RPM slightly in launching and riding at low speeds. This new feature helps smoother operation when pulling away and when riding at slow speeds. This means it's easier to pull away and easier to control the engine in stop-start traffic. On a normal motorcycle, when starting the engine, the rider needs to press and hold the starter switch until the engine fires up. With the Suzuki Easy Start, all you need to do is one quick push of the starter switch. Just like starting a modern car engine, the ECM recognizes the signals and keeps the starter motor working for a specified time. The system automatically interrupts power delivery just long enough, between 50 and 75 milliseconds, depending upon the sensitivity adjustment, to unload the transmission gear dogs and allow a clean upshift, producing smoother, almost uninterrupted acceleration. For quicker and smoother downshifts, without manually blipping the throttle, twist grip, or using the clutch, the system automatically opens the throttle valves just enough to increase RPM and match engine speed to the next lower gear ratio. Suzuki Drive Mode Selector (SDMS) system allows the rider to select one of 3 fuel injection and ignition system maps. 2 maps in case of GSX-R 750/600s, adjusting power delivery to suit personal preference in various riding situations, such as different racetracks or tight, twisty roads. The feature helps rider to enjoy the performance in a wider range of riding situations. Suzuki Composite Electrochemical Material (SCEM) is Suzuki's own nickel silicon carbide coating technique derived from racetrack experience. SCEM cylinders allow faster heat transfer and tighter piston-to-cylinder clearance. For superb durability and resistance to scuffing. Suzuki Clutch Assist System (SCAS), a back torque limiting clutch, helps make downshifts smoother, assists the rider in taking control in deceleration. Ramped engagement cams, built into the clutch hub, decrease force on the clutch plates under deceleration by pushing up against the pressure plate, allowing the plates to slip at a controlled rate. Only models with European specifications comply with EUR-05 emission regulations. An electrically controlled anti-lock brake system, ABS, that produces stable braking force under various road surface conditions. The system helps avoid wheel locking when there is a sudden change in road surface during braking or when an excessive braking force is applied. The system monitors wheel speed and matches stopping power to available traction. The first biaxial primary balancer on a production motorcycle to position its two balancers at 90 to the crankshaft asterisk. This patented asterisk mechanism suppresses vibration to contribute to smooth operation, while its design also helps realize a lighter power plant that is more compact from front to rear. ELIIY Power Lithium-ion Battery. A USB Type-C socket designed with a sleek, integrated look that blends seamlessly with the bike's styling while prioritizing both aesthetics and ease of use. It also supports fast charging,